it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I have got for you an unboxing of this month's Lookfantastic beauty box. So yes, I have this month's Lookfantastic beauty box in my hands. I haven't opened it yet, as you can see. I was a little bit disappointed at first because it looks a lot smaller than the usual. However, I don't believe we get our Lookfantastic beauty box in an actual box this month. So let's just open it and find out. So before I actually do open it, it's probably worth telling you how much this costs. So it is a subscription box. You can subscribe for a month at a time, 3 months, 6 or 12. I subscribe for 12. So if you subscribe for 1 month, you will get the box for £15. And then it works out a little cheaper depending on how often or for how long, you're going to subscribe. I subscribed for 12 months, so I get my box for £13 a month. So anyway, without further ado, let's open the box. I'm sure there's usually like a pulley tab. Yeah, there is. It's hidden by the label. Okay, so, ta-da! We don't get a box this month because we get a bag. How cool! So a quick flash of the products. And let's open. I don't know if there's a booklet in here. I'll have to have a look. Okay, so in here we get a little Lookfantastic beauty box customers little note. It says, "To our lovely beauty box customers, we hope you love all the products in this box. With everything that is going on at the moment, we have decided to make all beauty box edits in digital form for the foreseeable future. Don't worry, we can bring back the printed versions as soon as we possibly can. In the meantime, please keep an eye out for beauty box emails which have the link to the click-through magazine online." Okie dokie, well I did not know about that, so this is usually how I do the box. I usually talk about the products and go through the little leaflet. So I'm just going to have to go off and find my emails. Okie dokie, so no leaflet this month, and it was a bit of a waff about to find it. It did say on this little bit of information that we got that they would be sending a link in my emails. I've only had like dispatch updates to my emails, nothing about that. So I've had a little look on Lookfantastic and I couldn't find it straight away, but I have now found what I think is the information about this month's beauty box. Link in egg. Okay, so I'm just going to refer to this. This is actually my work's phone because I use my phone to film. So, and my tablet is out of charge, so bear with. So, I think this is a write-up on this box. It says, "Say hello to sunshine and escape every day with our June Staycation Edition beauty box." That is in a box. Plus this month, you'll find your products in an exclusive beauty bag for the ultimate stay-at-home pamper. From body care to hair care, our June beauty box has everything you need for a staycation like no other. Okie dokie, and it's saying about how it's in digital form this month. I prefer the leaflet, I'll admit, but it is what it is. So what's in it for me? So right now we can go through the box. Okay, so the very first thing then, according to the article or whatever it is this thing, which is the Josh Wood Colour Everything Mask. Okay, and this is 140 mils. Oh no. Sorry, the full product is 140 mils, which is worth £19, but we only get a 30 ml sample, which is worth £6. So it says it's designed for use on every shade of hair. This hair mask has been created to lock in colour, add shine, hydrate and deeply condition. It's the perfect does it all treatment. So it's just, you apply to damp, wash hair, leave on for 5 minutes. So it's not the biggest, that's going to be 1-2 uses at most, I think, in there, which is a shame, but it is what it is. If it's good for like protecting coloured hair and things, I am thinking of dyeing my hair pink temporarily shortly, so maybe I'll save this for then. Okay, and the next item then is from Glove. I think we got a glove, we got something by Glove. Was it the washcloth recently? We got something by Glove. Anyway, today we get the Rainbow Drop hairbrush. So it's a very kind of tangle teaser, hand-friendly kind of a one. It says it's perfect for use on both wet and dry hair. This glove brush glides through your hair without pulling or tugging. It's palm-sized and great to fit in your handbag. Used throughout the day to detangle locks, and this is worth £10. So it's a lovely colour. Like I said, it does fit really nicely actually in the hand. So that's nice. I do like the colour of that. It's really pretty. I've got many hairbrushes. I'm not desperate for a hairbrush, to be honest. But it'll definitely come in useful. It can go in one of my bags or something. Not that I'm really using handbags either at the moment. But still, it's cute. I like the colour, and, you know, it's not going to not be useful having a hairbrush. Okay, so we're moving on now to the item that was our sneak peek from last month. We have a product from Molten Brown, and it is their Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel Bath and Shower Gel. We get 100ml in here, and it's worth £10. So it says this luxurious body wash will leave your skin feeling fresh, pampered and smelling amazing. Uniquely and delicately scented with sea fennel and cypress, your body will feel nourished, moisturised and revitalised in equal measures. So I really like Molten Brown's products. I think that they're really good. Let's give this one a sniff. Okay. That's quite a nice smell. That's quite a good kind of relaxing bath smell, I think. And it's probably quite a unisex kind of a smell too. So that's really nice. You can share. I'm not going to share. Okay, so our next item then, it looks like we get an either or kind of an item. It looks like there's 3 different ones you can get. You can either get the Shampoo Aroma Blend Calming or Moisture Mask. I've got one of those. Or there is an OK Jeju Island Hydrogel Mask. These are worth £2.50, but if you get the OK one, that's actually worth £6. I mean, I'm happy to try something different because I haven't heard of this brand before, and I obviously do my Face Mask Fridays. But the fact that some people are getting a £6 one when I'm getting a £2.50 one, that's not on. Okie dokie, so it says in this month's limited edition travel bag, find a sheet mask from the spa and skincare experts of Shengpri or the cruelty-free Korean brand. Okay, these masks will leave you with a glowing, softer, more hydrated complexion after one use. So I've got the Shengpri Aroma Blend Calming Mask. So you know me, I'm really happy to get this. I love a good face mask. I do my Face Mask Fridays, so this one's perfect. I'm happy to get it. It's a brand I've never heard of. I've heard of it okay, but given the fact that this is a bit cheaper, it does seem a little bit cheeky, but I'll look forward to using it all the same. Okay, our next item I'm actually really excited to get. It is an item from Polar Beauty. These, I absolutely love their products. They are fab. And I actually had one of these before in a Birchbox kind of a while back now. But it was honestly some of the best... oh my God, my words aren't working. It's some of the best SPF that I've actually tried. It was great on the face. It didn't kind of leave me with breakouts or anything, which can be an issue with SPFs. It dried in really nicely. I really liked it. So let's look at the little write-up for this. So in here we get 20ml and it is worth £13.44. It is an SPF of 50 plus, so that's the kind of thing that I would use on my face. I like a higher SPF. It says it's lightweight and non-greasy in texture. This Polar Sun Cream applies easily, sinks into skin quickly and offers strong protection against harmful sun damage. So like I said, this is something I've used, and this brand, everything I've used from them has been fabulous. So fantastic. I'm not sure if the last one was 50 or it might have been a lower SPF, but either way, Polar are fantastic. I really like them as a brand. So if this is anything like the last one I tried, really happy to have this in this month's box. Okay then, so we are moving on to our last item in the box, and it is the Ultra Sun SPF 30 Lip Protect Lip Balm. And it is worth £8 and you get 4.8 grams in here. Okay, so it says simultaneously reducing inflammation and moisturising any dryness, this Ultra Sun Lip Balm is designed specifically to protect your pout from the elements. So this is a useful thing to have. I've learnt the hard way that it is really important to have sun protection on your lips. I've ended up with a couple of sun blisters at the end of holidays previously before. I mean, I have worn this stuff, but I maybe didn't apply as much as I needed to. Well, not this specific one, but an SPF. And I had a very swelled, blistery lip. So yeah, I don't recommend those. So in protecting our lips in the sun is very important. I haven't tried anything from this brand before, but it will definitely be put to use over the summer. Okie dokie then guys, that is this month's box / bag. So the bag itself, I suppose we didn't really look at. It's a really nice kind of turquoise colour. It's got a zip and it is, obviously it's see-through, so that's really useful that you can see what you've got your products in and things. So that's a useful one for travelling and things, which no one is doing at the minute. But it's also handy to keep bits and bobs in. So no, I like that, it's a nice bag. And then let's have a little rundown of the products inside. So it's not the best box I've ever got, but it's not the worst. There's a couple of brands in there that I really like. I've never heard of Josh Wood. I'm not in need of a hair mask, to be perfectly honest, but you know, it's not gonna harm. Same with the hairbrush. You know, I'm not in need of a hairbrush. I do have hair, so it will come in useful at some point, but it's not something I needed, so it's, you know, something else might have been better, but still, it's a nice product. The face mask, really nice to have a face mask in a thing. A bit weird that some people are getting a £6 one and some people are getting a £2.50 one. But you know, I'm always happy to try a face mask, so that's going to get used. The Ultra Sun lip balm, again, super useful, but I've never heard of the brand, so I can't really speak too much about that one. And these two, our last products actually, I love me some Molten Brown and I love me the Polar products, so I'm really happy with those. Those are the standout products in this month's box for me. But you know, we've got a decent spread of things. We've got a face mask to treat ourselves with. We can have a nice bath with that, and then we can protect ourselves in the sun as well as giving our hair a bit of a treat. So yeah, not too bad of a box. Like I say, it's not the best box I've gotten, but it's certainly not the worst, so I'm quite happy. Like I said, there's a few things in there I'll definitely use. Some things could have been better, but you know, it's one of those things, it's hit and miss, it's the luck of the draw. Okie dokie then, so that is this month's unboxing of the Lookfantastic Beauty Box. Let me know what you think, drop me a comment, see what you guys think of this month's box. Like I say, I'm not like wowed by a lot of the things, but there is some really good products in there, and to be honest, they're all useful. None of them are not useful. And the fact that it comes in a bag this month, I actually quite like that, because I've got quite a stack of boxes I don't know what to go with. I mean, I'm not really desperate for bags either, because I have a lot of those, but I do really like that one. It's a nice little handy size as well. So yes, that is this month's box. If you've liked the video, then please as ever do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already, because it'll be fantastic to have you here. Fantastic. And goodness me, I've got videos coming all the time, as often as I can, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and then face mask Fridays. So subscribe. I'm talking nonsense, you probably want rid of me, so thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.